Good day, everyone. This is Trinity Music Academy. Today, we want to show you the components on the analog motherboard, which is also known as the power panel of Yamaha PSR S950. Then, we show you the components on the digital motherboard, which is also known as the function board of that same keyboard. The first component to be considered is the adapter jack. That is where you insert your adapter to. Then, this is the fuse that transfer the voltage 16 volts that is coming from the adapter into this other side of the panel. This is a feed effect transistor FET. It is directly connected to the switch. Then we have the 12 volt regulator here, positive 12 volt regulator. It converts the 12 volt 16 volt that is coming from the adapter, converts it to 12 volts from the output pin, and it is sent to other components on this analog motherboard and to this digital motherboard too. So these are the jacks. Some of them, we have the auxiliary inputs. So we have the sustain pedal. We have many other functions. So all these ones, they are jacks. They are known as jacks. And this is the auxiliary input jack too. So this one is a variable resistor, which is used to adjust the volume of either microphone or a line that is connected to the keyboard. And this one is just to switch whether you want to use line in case you want to connect guitar or you want to use microphone with this particular keyboard. So this particular one is just to switch from it. These are the cables that connect the analog motherboard to the digital motherboard. Some of it connect the analog motherboard to the PNR or the control panel under here, and some of the cables goes directly to the phono jack that is here. So those are the components on the analog motherboard. Now let's go to the digital motherboard. On this digital motherboard, we have the processor or the CPU, central processing unit. This is the central processing unit. All these ones are working SDRAM, synchronized dynamic random access memory. This is 128, this is 256, this is 128. This is USB controller, and this is the video controller. So this one is also SDRAM, 64 megabytes. We have the SDRAM 2. This is the SP signal processor. Then we have the tone generator here. This one is the SDRAM for the tone generator. Then we have here DAC, which is what? Digital to analog converter. These two are ADC, analog to digital converter. We have DOPs here, dual operational amplifiers. Then this is the digital power amplifiers. These two are the digital power amplifiers. Here we have the voltage regulators. Voltage regulators are here. Then beside all the voltage regulator, we have the what? We have the diode. Very big diode between them. These are the diodes beside the voltage regulators. These are the diodes beside the voltage regulators. So let's turn it back and see a few other components that remains. These two are also working SDRAM, 256 megabytes each. These six, they are the ROMs, read-only memories. Some of them are mask ROM, some of them are program ROM, while the remaining are flash ROM. So all these ones, they are multiplexers, the multiplexers or demultiplexers. When we have decoders between them, we have buffers between them. So next time we'll be telling you the functions of all these components on the digital motherboard. So the function of each of the components on the digital motherboard. Thanks for watching. The keyboard